guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the first makeup video of 2025, and today's video is going to be inspired by the 2025 Pantone color of the year, which is Mocha Mousse. So essentially we're just going to be doing, you know, some brown makeup. Okay, I knew they were going to come in here as soon as I started talking. All right, apparently filming is like a magnet for children, because every time I start to film, a child comes. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the makeup. I already did my brows off camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. I'm using my Vieve Skin Nova. I'm gonna prime, but I'm gonna start with my eyes. I just wanna let my primer kind of sit for a little bit and soak in so we can do our eyes. Ooh, that almost got all in my brow. All right, primer is on. For the eyes, I'm gonna go in with this Vieve eye wand, and this is in the shade Hazelnut. It's kind of like a reddish brown, but I think that that will work for this. We're gonna see. It's a little bit more red, but I feel like that Mocha Mousse, like if you look at it, it has like a little hint of maybe like a rose or a mauve in some pictures. Like it's not just straight up brown, you know what I'm saying? It's got a little bit of like pinkiness to it. So I think this color will be okay. And then, just because maybe to add a little bit more brown, I'm gonna go in with this Viseart palette. And I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm just gonna like go right on top of that, just for a little more, a little, you know, something. Make it a little bit more brown, a little bit more matte. So that's pretty much it for the eyes, with the exception of the eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation. I'm gonna be using my Dior Face and Body, which is my favorite. I'm just gonna put this on my skin. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer so I can let that sit. I'm using the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. And then I'll come back to this in just a second, but I'm gonna let that sit for now. And then for my contour slash bronzer, I'm going with the Makeup by Mario Bronzing Serum. For blush, I'm gonna try this. This is one of the Nudestix, the Nudies Nudestix. This is in Deep Maple. I'm gonna try this because I don't have a brown like blush, because I never want a brown blush. But this is like as close as I can get, I think. Let me find a brush. I don't know that the blush is supposed to be brown, but I'm just trying to follow the whole little mocha vibe. So this is as best as I can do for a brownish blush, I think. It's almost like this could be a bronzer shade on me, like a soft bronzer. But we're gonna use it as a blush today. So it's gonna be very slight. So that's okay. And then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of this concealer to clean up our contour a little bit, just a little bit. And I'm not gonna let this sit for too long because I don't want that like stripe. So I'm gonna let it sit while I blend out the rest of the concealer. So this is what the face is looking like right now. Now it's time to go in with some powder. I'm taking my Givenchy. And I haven't been into using a powder puff lately. I just want to go in with a brush. So I'm just going to go back in and make sure that all the creases and stuff are blended out. And then I'm going to set with this little powder brush. I'm just gonna go in and set my whole face with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish powder. And that's gonna like blend out these little lines right here, because we don't want that. Yeah. And then to set my bronzer and basically my blush, I'm gonna take this Vieve palette. And I think I'm just gonna go in, don't wanna do both of these. I don't know. Either just this one or both. I honestly, I have no idea right this very second. I don't know which one I'm gonna do. Let's just do, we're just gonna do this one because I feel like this one is a little bit too red. So we're just gonna do this. I'm gonna set my bronzer. And I'm gonna go over my blush also. So I'm kind of using that as blush and just bringing it all the way in to my nose while I'm setting that cream bronzer. Okay. I'm gonna take the same palette and I'm gonna use the highlighting shade in here. Right here. Almost forgot my highlighter, y'all. Cannot forget the highlight. Now we need to finish off the eyes. I'm gonna go in and add some liner now. I'm just using a brown liquid liner. I'm gonna add a little wing. This is from Vieve as well. How are we gonna do this one? I need my mirror. Okay, we're just gonna add a little, just a little wing. I'm gonna take a little bit of that brown shadow from the palette that we used earlier, and I'm just gonna run that and lower lash line, because I don't not put eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Like, it's absolutely essential. I'm gonna go back into my Vieve palette and just pop some of that highlighter in my inner corner. Mascara. I'm just gonna use this Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Alright, you guys, so that's it for the eyes. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to lips. Take some of this lip balm off. Okay, for lips, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills liner that needs sharpening. Okay, and this is in Cool Brown. And then for lips, I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. lip oil. I don't really feel like putting lipstick on. This is in what shade is this? I can't see. I don't know. It's like the brown one or the nudie one. I really can't see. I'm just gonna put this on. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go and do my hair and add some setting spray, finishing touches, and I'll be back. All right, you guys, that is the look. I tried to do something with my hair. Y'all don't judge me, okay? I'm still learning with the straight hair, especially the red hair, but this is what we did. It's probably not gonna stay like this. It's gonna go in a little claw clip here in a minute because I gotta clean the house. But anyways, this is the look, you guys. This is the Mocha Mousse inspired makeup. So yeah, let me know if you're gonna try it out and if you're gonna be into all the things Mocha Mousse this year. I will see you guys in the next video.